Hello, and welcome back to Basic Crypto 101, the channel where we break down everything you need to know about the world of cryptocurrencies. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update. We're dedicated to providing you with the most accurate, up-to-date information in the crypto world, and we're glad you've chosen to join us on this journey. Today, we're going to delve deep into a topic that's been making headlines and stirring up conversations in the financial world: Bitcoin and the potential crash of the US dollar. We'll explore how such a scenario could affect the price of cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin. This is a topic that's been on the minds of many, and we're going to dissect it from various angles. As we all know, the price of Bitcoin can be volatile, and it's always subject to change. It's a fascinating aspect of the crypto world, this constant ebb and flow, and it's something that both new and seasoned investors keep a close eye on. But the question we're going to delve into today is, what happens to Bitcoin if the US dollar crashes? It's a scenario that's been speculated about, and we're going to take a closer look at it. Now, when we talk about a crash of the US dollar, we're referring to a severe drop in the value of the dollar compared to other currencies. This could be due to a variety of factors, such as economic instability, inflation, or loss of confidence in the dollar as a stable store of value. It's a scenario that might seem far-fetched to some, but it's always a possibility in the world of economics. And it's a scenario that could have far-reaching implications, not just for the US, but for the global economy as a whole. So, how would a crash of the US dollar affect Bitcoin? Well, there are a few different theories out there. But one perspective that we'll focus on today is the idea that a crash could actually make Bitcoin more valuable. Here's why. Bitcoin, like gold, is often seen as a safe haven asset. This means that in times of economic uncertainty or instability, investors may choose to move their assets into Bitcoin as a way to protect their wealth. If the value of the dollar were to drop significantly, it's possible that we could see a surge of interest in Bitcoin. As demand increases, so too would the price. Bitcoin's decentralized nature also plays a role in its appeal. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin is not controlled by any central bank or government. This means it's not subject to the same risks as the dollar, such as inflation or political instability. In a scenario where the dollar crashes, Bitcoin could potentially serve as a hedge against the falling value of traditional currencies. But it's not just about the potential for financial gain. It's also about the potential for financial freedom. Bitcoin, and cryptocurrencies in general, offer a way for people to take control of their own wealth, independent of traditional financial systems. Of course, it's important to remember that this is just one theory, and the world of cryptocurrencies is complex and unpredictable. However, the idea of Bitcoin as a safe haven in times of economic uncertainty is certainly worth considering. Now, let's delve a little deeper into Bitcoin. As the first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin has paved the way for the hundreds of other digital currencies we see today. Its decentralized nature, limited supply, and global acceptance are some of the reasons why it's often seen as a hedge against traditional financial systems. Bitcoin's blockchain technology is also worth noting. It's a transparent, public ledger where all confirmed transactions are included. This technology is not just revolutionary for financial systems, but it also has potential applications in various other sectors like healthcare, supply chain management, and more. The US dollar, on the other hand, has been the world's leading reserve currency for many years. It plays a crucial role in global trade and finance. However, the recent years have seen an increase in the US national debt, and there are concerns about inflation, especially in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic and the stimulus packages introduced. If the US dollar were to crash, it would not just affect the US, but also other countries that heavily rely on the dollar for international trade. This could lead to a global financial crisis. In such a scenario, Bitcoin could potentially emerge as a global reserve currency. Its digital nature makes it easily transferable across borders, and its limited supply could make it a good store of value. However, it's also important to note that Bitcoin has its own set of challenges, such as scalability issues, regulatory concerns, and its use in illicit activities. But with ongoing development and increasing acceptance, these issues could be addressed over time. In conclusion, while the crash of the US dollar could potentially increase the value of Bitcoin, it's important to approach this topic with a balanced view. Cryptocurrencies are still relatively new, and they come with their own risks and uncertainties. Thanks for watching Basic Crypto 101. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies carries risk, and you should always do your own research and consider your financial situation carefully. We're here to provide information and insights, but the final decision is always in your hands, as this is not financial advice and is only for entertainment purposes.